Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. Today I'll talk about vitamin B12. So vitamin B12 is one of the most known and most common vitamin that supplement stores will sell. People get vitamin B12 from food, but most people will need it to supplement for the optimal level. Optimal level is going to improve your overall symptoms of B12. Vitamin B12 is very important for improving your metabolism, improving the hemoglobin and overall neurological symptoms. B12 also utilizes fat and carbs as the source of energy. Some of the common conditions that can lower vitamin B12 are GI issues, poor absorption, poor nutrition, vegan diet, some chronic diseases like cancer, some of the diabetic medication like metformin, age. Some of the symptoms associated with low vitamin B12 is extreme fatigue, feeling pins and needle in the extremities, red tongue, sore tongue, ulcer in your mouth, muscle weakness and generalized feeling of weakness, memory issues, feeling depressed and gaining weight. Optimizing your B12 can help improve a lot of the above symptoms. It also helps you make red blood cell and improves your hemoglobin level. Vitamin B12 repairs DNA and improve your nerve health. B12 also improves your overall metabolism, which help you lose weight, and B12 improves energy by converting your carbs into ATP, which your body can utilize as energy. And optimizing B12 also improves your overall brain health and symptoms of depression. So there are two most common type of vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin and methylcobalamin. We'll discuss in next video which one is preferred vitamin B12 and which one you should be taking in our next video, and subscribe for more videos.